Hello my friends, it's Jessie here. I am back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I have my weekly grocery haul for you. We just got home from picking up the groceries at Walmart, and let me go through what I picked up for the week. So, got some bread. I picked up some hot dog buns, as well as some hamburger buns. I also got a loaf of wheat bread and a loaf of white bread, and this loaf of French bread so that I can make French bread pizza. Got some of these crinkle cut French fries. These are so good, the batter mix seasoned ones. Highly recommend those. Some low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese. That's for those French bread pizzas as well. As is the pepperoni. Picked up some apples as well as a ton of bananas. I actually ordered 6 bananas and they gave me like 10, so that's cool. Some mixed vegetables, some Brussels sprouts, sweet peas. I basically just had to restock my freezer. Some cut green beans and some broccoli florets. Got our coffee creamer, 2 original, 1 Italian sweet cream. I got this little baby sirloin roast, pork sirloin roast. I was expecting this to be bigger, so I don't know if it was just like lost in translation on the app or what, but this is not enough for a meal for my family, so I'm going to have to go back for another one of those, but that's okay. I got some chicken thighs. I thought those would be really nice one day. This week, I got some breakfast sausage links. Never tried those ones before, but hopefully those will be good. I also got some bratwurst, a couple packages of bologna for lunches for the week. Also picked up a couple of bags of tortilla chips. I needed a box grater, so while I was ordering my groceries, I just went ahead and added that to my order. You can get household stuff from the grocery pickup as well, guys. For tonight's dinner, we originally were going to do burgers on the grill, but then my husband worked late, so we decided just to get some take and bake pizzas. He went in and picked up an extreme bacon pizza, this 5 cheese breadsticks, and this under here is supreme pizza. I got a gallon of milk. We got some salsa. We were all out of salsa, as well as some light mayo. Picked up Worcestershire sauce, a couple bottles of honey barbecue sauce, a big 10-pound bag of potatoes, and lastly, a box of Frosted Flakes for the kids. So that is it for my weekly grocery haul. All told, I think I spent a total of about $85, so not bad at all. Other than having to go back for a little bit more pork, we are all set for the week. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe so that you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!